Hi everyone, and welcome to today's lesson of our writing program. Today is Thursday and we will be doing lesson 4 of our writing program, and today we are going to look at our sentence a day. Now let's have a look at our learning intention and success criteria for today. Our learning intention says, we are learning to read and write a simple sentence. And our success criteria says, I can read and write my sentence, and I can use finger spaces, a capital letter, and a full stop correctly. Let's look at our sentence. Our sentence is, I'm brushing my teeth. Now we need to choose which one is right. And remember, a sentence must include a capital letter at the start, finger spaces in between the words, and a full stop at the end. I would like you to look at the three options and choose which one is correct. Pause this video now so that you have time to check all of the sentences. You can then press play again and we can have a look at which one is correct. Okay, now let's look at our first sentence here. I'm brushing my teeth. The first thing we want to look for is the capital letter because that is at the start of our sentence. Now I can see that this sentence does have a capital letter. It's got a capital I for I'm. The second thing I want to look for is my finger spaces. Are they separating the words here in my sentence? Let's have a look. I'm, yes, brushing, then we've got one here, my teeth. I'm brushing my teeth. And here you can see that I have 4 words in my sentence. Now the third thing that we need to look for is the full stop. And we know that that goes at the end of our sentence. Let's have a look. I'm brushing my teeth. Oh no, this one does not have a full stop. So this one is not the correct answer. So I'm going to cross that one out straight away. Okay, let's look at our middle sentence. I'm brushing my teeth. Now the first thing that we're looking for is the capital letter, and I can see that it's got one right there. The second thing I'm going to look for is my finger spaces. Now we already know that we have 4 words in my sentence, so we need 1, 2, 3 spaces. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have my finger spaces. And the final thing that I'm going to look for is my full stop. And we know that that goes at the end of our sentence. Let's have a look. I'm brushing my teeth. And I can see right here that it does have my full stop. So this one is the correct sentence. Now we can quickly look at our third sentence and let's just see what is wrong here. Now I can see that it does have finger spaces, 1, 2, 3. It does have a full stop, but what's it missing? It's missing a capital letter. So we know that that is not the correct sentence. Now here is our correct sentence. Let's double check it. I'm brushing my teeth. Now we have a capital letter at the start of my sentence. We have our finger spaces in between the words, and we have a full stop at the end of the sentence. Let's read it one more time. I'm brushing my teeth. Now it's your turn to complete the writing activity. You can do this on a piece of paper or in an exercise book, whatever you have at home. Now the first thing that you're going to do is read the sentence. So we can read that one together. I'm brushing my teeth. Okay, the next thing you need to do is write your sentence in your neatest handwriting. So trying your best to keep all of the letters the same size and to make sure that your words and your sentence is on one line. So your sentence isn't going down and sloping to the side. It's not going up. You're really trying your best to keep it straight on one line. Now, once you have written your sentence, if you look here, you can draw a picture of you brushing your teeth. So you could draw that picture underneath your sentence, or you could draw it next to your sentence. The last thing that you need to do, once you have written your sentence and once that you have drawn your picture, is you can complete this challenge. Now, what you need to do is you need to trace over the capital letter with your favorite color and also color in your full stop. So we know that if we are tracing our capital letter, it would be at the start of my sentence, and your full stop is going to be at the end of your sentence. So you can do that now. So now that we have completed our activity, we are going to go back to our learning intention to make sure that we have done everything we needed to do in our lesson today. Now, our learning intention was we are learning to read and write a simple sentence. Our first success criteria is I can read and write my sentence. Now, I'm going to put a tick right here over read because we did read our sentence. We read it at the start when we were choosing which one was correct, and we also read it at the end when we were completing the writing activity. I'm also going to put a tick here over write because we did write the sentence. We wrote it at the end in our neatest handwriting. Now, our next success criteria was I can use finger spaces, a capital letter, and a full stop correctly. So what I want you to do now is look at the work that you've just completed, and I want you to go through and tick if you used a capital letter at the start of your sentence, if you used finger spaces in between your words, and if you used a full stop correctly. Now, if you didn't quite remember to use all of these things, that's okay. And next time we do this activity, I would like you to really focus on using those three things. And they are a capital letter at the start of our sentence, finger spaces in between our words, and a full stop at the end of our sentence. Okay, thank you so much for taking part in our lesson today, and I hope that you enjoyed our writing activity. I'll see you next time.